Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many users face when working with MariaDB. The problem at hand involves using the select with ROLLUP feature to get a summary row in the results set, while also ordering the remaining rows by a specific criteria. Now let's dive into the solution that we have for this problem. The key here is to leverage a common table expression, CTE, in MariaDB. By structuring our query in this way, we can calculate the total sales for each year, including the additional summary row generated by the ROLLUP. Then, we can reorder the rows based on the total sales, ensuring that the summary row is placed at the end. The code snippet provided does exactly that, allowing us to achieve the desired outcome efficiently. In summary, by using a CTE and carefully manipulating the sorting logic in our query, we can effectively combine the summary row generated by ROLLUP with the custom ordering based on total sales. This approach provides a neat solution to the problem at hand, giving us the flexibility to control the display of results in our query. I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding how to tackle this particular challenge in MariaDB. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other SQL problems you'd like us to solve. Stay tuned for more content, and happy querying.